Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and I'm down in our Hampshire garden. And this is episode 3 of our Back to Basics series and all about wind. Now, wind is the silent saboteur of many gardens. You don't see it coming until your plants are snapped in half. Now, wind shapes everything from how your plants grow to how well they stand tall. Now, light wind is actually good because it strengthens stems, improves air circulation and prevents diseases like powdery mildew. But strong wind, that's a different story. It can dry out soil and leaves faster than you realise. It can break tender stems. It can flatten tall crops like sweet corn or delphiniums. Scatter mulch and seed. It can damage greenhouses and tunnels, of which I've seen the aftermath of that as well. So start by identifying your prevailing wind direction. Now in the UK, it's typically from the southwest, but microclimates matter. Then consider natural and artificial windbreaks. For example, hedges like hawthorn, privet, or even bamboo. They all slow wind while letting through some air. Now, fences are useful but avoid solid barriers, which then causes turbulence. Slatted panels or willow screens, they work better. And if you're planting in groups rather than in single rows, because that gives plants strength in numbers. And of course, using stakes. Now, use stakes and supports for your beans, sunflowers, and any tall flowers. And for new plants, especially trees, use ties, but make sure they're not too tight. Now, wind-damaged leaves can look scorched or tattered, and if you spot this, consider moving pots to a more sheltered spot or provide some temporary shaded netting. Anyway, next time we're going to dive into one of gardening's trickiest balancing acts, and that is all about moisture. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.